Hello everyone, my name is Lizzy Perrin. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Like really, how are you doing? I hope you're taking good care of yourself and staying hydrated. Let me know in the comment section. You know I love hearing from you, my amazing subscribers. So this weekend, I decided to take you along with me for my regular grocery shopping here in Qatar. But I figure it's the perfect time to catch up with my amazing subscribers and those of you who are still thinking about hitting that subscribe button. Yes, you. Please do me the honor of clicking that subscribe button and join my community of food lovers. So, I have something exciting coming up for you. I'll be dropping a poll in my community tab and I want you to be a part of it. I want to know the kind of content you would love to see more from me. Do you want to see the actual prices of food items here in Qatar? More lifestyles vlogs, daily lifestyles, culture, real moments, or are you craving more for the food recipes and cooking videos? Then your vote seriously matters. I want this channel to reflect what you enjoy, because this isn't just my journey, but our journey. So make sure to check out the poll and tap your choice when it comes up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join the family. This is a safe, positive, and fun space. And for my OGs, thank you so much for always riding with me. Let's keep building this amazing community together. Thanks for the love and support you've shown me so far. All your comments, I see them, and I'm glad you dropped those comments. Your like and your share, they are duly appreciated. So that's it for today's video. A simple day in my life, but I'm so glad I got to share it with you. Don't forget to check out the community post to vote for the kind of content you want to see next. I'm building a real community here, one where we can grow, vibe, and learn together. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, stay safe, stay kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!